And good morning, and today you're going to be watching or doing several things here. We are again studying acceleration. The first thing you're going to be doing is watching a crash course physics video over everything we've done or talked about here with speed, velocity, and acceleration. After that, I will be going over with you in another video the Sled Wars acceleration gizmo. So make sure you are following along with that. You will need to download the Gizmo worksheet and open up your Gizmo and Explore Learning before starting. After finishing that and submitting that, or on a third video, I will be explaining to you how an acceleration graph works. Again, you will need to download the document and work along with me at the start, and then once you have finished, again, you'll be able to submit that. Each of these are very short things that you should be able to get done in class today if you're not wasting time. Again, make sure that you do everything you're supposed to. Make sure you're following the class rules. Make sure you're being respectful to my sub today. Have a great day.